Oh yeah, we have Son of a Digger with that clear suspension system and a big old fist punch for you. This box is full of loose monster trucks. Let's open it up. Hey, look at this. Fragile. Must be Italian. I am excited. Oh, there's a little preview. Check that out. Let's go over all these monster trucks. Now that is a lot of monster truck and a lot of bubblies. There we go. That'll make it a little bit easier. I dumped out all the contents and look at all these monster trucks. I mean, nobody tell my wife because she already thinks I have enough monster trucks, but these trucks, all these trucks, except the bigger ones in the back, we're going to do a sled push, a down and back, and then to wrap it all up, we'll do a demo derby. There's a lot of cool older castings in this, such as this Flash Fire. That is an awesome monster truck, and I did not have this in my collection, so super stoked about that. We have this El Toro Loco with his horns broken off, but that's okay. I don't know about this wheel either. He may not be in this racing series, and if you guys are hungry, he still has a little bit of gum right there in his wheels. And one that's really grabbed my attention is the Black Stallion. I love these Race Ace tires. Awesome stuff. Look at Scooby-Doo with the add-on bulldozer clip. I'm gonna have to take that off though. He'll have an advantage on the sled push. We have Crazy Train. Awesome casting. I have one that's in a little better shape, but still cool to have another one. We have El Toro Loco with his flag. That is awesome stuff. We have Team Hot Wheels. I have a casting just like this, except it has those Race Ace tires. Awesome stuff. We also have Max D. Awesome casting. And we have Predator, which is quite awesome. And the final truck is this Ice Cream Man with this cool add-on clip. Awesome stuff. Let's get to the next bag. Check out Mohawk Warrior with those purple wheels. That is awesome stuff. That's amazing looking truck right there. We also have Crustacean, always one of my favorites. And who doesn't love Soldier Fortune? We also have Medusa, which I am pretty pumped about. Oh man, I love this truck. Western Renegade. Awesome, awesome casting. This will be fun to watch in the sled push, that's for sure. We also have the Destroyer with those flames. That is sick stuff. And it looks like we have another variant of the Destroyer. And we have Northern Nightmare. Always one of my favorite castings. That is sweet stuff. And in good shape. Let's open up another bag. Oh, we have a Zombie Hunter. Now this is one I've been kind of looking for and I do not have. So pretty excited to have this in the collection. He just needs a little wheel work and he'll be good to go. Oh yeah, we have Son of a Digger with that clear suspension system and a big old fist punch for you. Yes, I have another Pillage Idiot. This is awesome stuff. And its axles look pretty good. So excited to, oh, needs a little wheel work. Otherwise, it's still in good shape. Who doesn't recognize this truck right when it comes up? The old Batman. Beautiful casting, ready to see it race. Gravedigger, always good to have another one. And another Northern Nightmare. And who doesn't love another zombie? Always good to have.
Oh my God!
And the next truck up, we have the Pirate's Curse. Now this is an awesome casting. We also have El Toro Loco without his horns. They were hard on the horns. We have a really clean Max D. Glad to see that. We have a Rolling Thunder in good shape. And this thing. We have High Maintenance. This is a truck I do not have. Uh-oh, don't show my wife. And finally we have this Fox Sports truck. And this is another casting I do not have in my collection. Awesome stuff. Hey, check this out, Matador. That is awesome stuff. I love the decos. Nice clean truck, chrome wheels. That's my kind of truck. We have another Gravedigger. Hey, we have a Barbarian with the dirty wheels. Awesome stuff. Oh, we have a Mechanical Mischief. Pretty good shape. Not too bad. It's got the chrome wheels. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about this one. Hey, we got a Shock Therapy. Awesome stuff. I wish the wheels were a little bit better, but not too bad a truck condition. We'll see how he does in the races coming up. We have Wrecking Crew. Now this truck sounds like he's going to do well in my sled push. We'll find out. And last but never least is Gravedigger. Are you guys hanging tight with me? We got a couple more bags. Let's go over them. Right off the bat, we got another beautiful Gravedigger. We have this Hot Wheels truck. Beat that. We have one of my favorite all-time Avengers. I am pumped about this one right here. This is exciting. We have another Gravedigger. Oh, I love this. Nice heavy castings. Got that metal undercarriage. Small hubs. Beautiful Hot Wheels paint color. This is going to be tough on the track. Oh yes, we have an NEA Police. I've always loved these trucks. All right, we got the Lucas Oil monster truck. And who doesn't need another monster mutt with the hand grabber? Sweet. Let's get to the final bag. Check out higher education. That is sweet. Its wheel seems a little bit off. We have the Ice Cream Man. Oh yes, anytime I could get another Superman, I'm super pumped. The Man of Steel. Awesome monster truck. Oh sweet, I got another Grinder. I love these trucks. I've always been a big fan of the Grinder, but really cool casting. Hey, we got a retro Bad News Travels Fast. I'm a little concerned about his wheel. I don't think he'll do very well, but we'll have him in the race anyway. And the final truck is this Captain's Curse. Pretty good condition. The wheels look good. You ought to be a tough truck. I have two 124 scale monster trucks I'm going to show you real fast. We have this super awesome Superman 124 scale, and we have this Avenger, which is, I have to admit, is the reason why I probably bought the whole thing, just because I love Avenger. We just went over a whole bunch of monster trucks, you guys, but just be on the watch for my next 3-part series, which will be a sled push, a down and back, and a demo derby. Make sure you check out my TikTok and Facebook account. Thanks for watching, you guys, and keep playing with your toys. Take care.